Hey everybody, welcome to Mixing with the Geek. Today we'll be making another classic cocktail, a Tom Collins. I picked this drink to go with the Hard Day's Night soundtrack because it's served at the Hard Day's Night Hotel in Liverpool, England. Now, Tom Collins gets its name from its main ingredient, Old Tom Gin, which is a sweeter variety than your traditional dry gin. There's only a few distilleries that are actually making it using the original recipe. So if you can find it, use that gin, but if you can't, this drink's gonna be perfectly fine with a dry gin like I'm gonna be using, so let's get started. Now we're gonna be building this drink directly into our Collins glass, which incidentally is how the glass got its name. We're gonna fill it up with cubed ice, then add 2 ounces of dry gin, then 1 ounce to 2 ounces of fresh lemon juice, followed by a teaspoon of simple syrup. Then we top it off with soda water. And we're gonna stir this well. Now we're going to garnish with a skewered cherry and orange slice. You could also use a lemon slice and serve with a straw. And there you have a modern Tom Collins. I hope you have fun making your own and be sure to enjoy responsibly. Thank you for watching, subscribing, and be sure to check out our episode on a Hard Day's Night soundtrack. I'm your Vinyl Geek and I'll catch you on the flip side.